Welcome students. We are here with another question. Find the value of tan 5 pi by 8. Before going to solve this question, one advice that watch this video without any break. Another thing is subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so whenever any video will be uploaded, immediate notification will be sent. Now, as per question, let theta is equal to pi by 4. Why theta is equal to pi by 4? Because pi by 4 standard value, t ratio, all trigonometric like sin, cos, tan pi by 4 or cos pi by 4, sin pi by 4 known. With this help of this, we will find out the value of tan 5 pi by 8. Now proceed. Or 4 theta is equal to pi. We need to find 5 pi by 8. So 4 theta into 5 by 8, right hand side directly writing pi. After simplification, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. So 5 theta by 2. So writing this 4 theta plus theta by 2, right hand side 5 pi by 8. Now operate both side tan. So tan, in place of 4 theta writing pi, as 4 theta is equal to pi by 2 decompose into two parts plus theta by 2, that is equal to tan of 5 pi by 8. Now reversing the sides, that means left hand side writing tan 5 pi by 8 and right hand side this. So tan 5 pi by 8, that is equal to, use the trigonometric formula writing here, why writing this, tan 5 by 2 plus x writing, that is equal to minus cot x. That means using this formula we can write this minus cot of theta by 2 or tan 5 pi by 8, that is equal to minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. See here, theta means pi by 4, theta by 2 means pi by 4 by 2 pi by 8, theta by 2 means pi by 8. We know the value of tan, cos, sin pi by 4, but we not standard value of pi by 8. So use trigonometric formula like this, 2 cos square theta by 2, that is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Then here theta is equal to pi by 4 and theta by 2 is equal to pi by 8. Obviously we know the values of cos pi by 4. Similarly we use sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So to get this in the numerator and denominator this, we will multiply both sides, both numerator and denominator by 2 cos theta by 2 and denominator also 2 cos theta by 2. So writing this tan 5 pi by 8, that is equal to minus cos of theta by 2 into 2 cos square, cos theta by 2, not square. After simplification will be 2 cos square, sin theta by 2 into 2 cos theta by 2. So numerator is 2 cos square theta by 2, that means 1 plus cos theta. Denominator 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Right left hand side, that means sin 2 theta means sin theta. Here this is actually sin theta. So now replace theta by, theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. In the right side, 1 plus cos. Here this minus sign should be continued. Pi by 4 by sin pi by 4. That is equal to minus of, as it is, 1 cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. That is equal to, after simplification, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. That is equal to minus of root 2 plus 1. So final answer is tan 5 pi by 8, that is equal to minus of plus 1. Hence the problem is solved, that is the value of tan 5 pi by 8 is equal to minus within bracket root 2 plus 1. If it is relevant to you, again I advise you that subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for getting the videos as a notifications. Thank you.